We're now getting news that Rahul Gandhi has slammed the BJP government over the choking national capital. Rahul Gandhi has gone ahead to say that BJP government is only giving excuses. Stop with the excuses. Public wants clean air is what he has said. He has also gone ahead to call it a national emergency. Well, we call it that every year, don't we? But those are the latest comments that are coming in. Also, he's gone ahead to say that MPs must debate and end the pollution crisis. All right, let's quickly listen in to what those comments were.
I've been having breathing issues, and eyes burning and stuff. And last 1 week has been terrible.
Yeah.
The damage is taking place throughout the year.
Throughout the year.
But people only realize it for a month.
और अभी हम 900, 1500, 1700 वीक मतलब टॉक्सिक एयर का कंकॉक्शन हम ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं और नॉर्मली ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं।
तो सोल्यूशन कहाँ से आ सकती है?
सोल्यूशन लार्जली एज अ सेड, अगर आपको सोर्स पता है और अगर पॉलिटिकल विल और पॉलिटिकल अर्जेंसी है तो सबसे पहले तो व्हीकुलर पोल्यूशन अगर 50% है और साल भर है तो पब्लिक ट्रांसपोर्ट नीड्स टू बी एक्सपीडिटेड।
Right, those are the comments coming in from Rahul Gandhi. But let's take this debate to the people who are actually, at the thick of it all. Now, so far on 5 Live, we've been talking to doctors, we've been talking to experts, trying to understand what is it that we are doing wrong, trying to also understand the health implications of this entire air emergency, because that's what it is. But today we've decided to take a pause on that and look at the politics after all. Why? Because it's come down to those numbers. It's come down to us asking the questions on why events are being held. It's come down to asking why are water sprinkling activities taking place only around where the monitoring stations are. What is this watering down of pollution numbers?